I don't know about you, but in my country, when your bank account has not had any withdrawal transactions in the past 6 months, it becomes dormant. You're being viewed as a burden by the banks by just keeping your money there, yet not generating them any transactional income. Since I joined crypto, my life has been awesome. Yes. I don't have to worry about my account going dormant or an institution going under and having to lose my funds. Trust Wallet has always been my crypto storage solution, and over the years, there have been improvements being made to this self-custody crypto wallet. You should be happy because they'll be taking you through this crypto wallet. These are some of the things that we'll be looking at: how to purchase crypto tokens using the wallet, and also the centralized crypto exchanges, performing instant crypto swaps within the wallet, monitoring real-time crypto prices, how to stake your crypto, interacting with decentralized applications browser, and also how to revamp your security within the app. We'll also take a look on how to get your feet into the NFT space with Trust Wallet. That's really a lot of things that you can do within your personal bank. It seems to me that after this video, you'll second guess storing your fiat in the banks again. If you enjoy what you'll experience in the video, then don't forget to drop a like for the video. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, among others. Trust Wallet was founded in 2017 by Viktor Radchenko, later acquired in 2018 by Binance. Even though Binance has acquired the wallet, it is decentralized in nature. Users have the privileges for complete control of their wallets, and private keys are always on the device you use. Trust Wallet does not store the actual cryptocurrencies. On the contrary, the wallet gives a suitable means for accessing your cryptocurrencies stored on individual blockchain networks. The wallet is community-driven and open source, thereby encouraging anyone to contribute to the wallet. By watching this video on finding more ways to make money on the crypto market, I know you have a real fire within you to achieve success. That fire needs to be directed with the right mindset. I have put a well-explained summary of a variety of books on finance in my Patreon page to get you the mindset you need. Find the link in the description below. In order to get started with Trust Wallet, you'll first need to download the app. You can get this one from Play Store, App Store, or going to the official website for Trust Wallet, which is trustwallet.com. After downloading the app, you'll need to create your wallet. On the account creation process, you'll be met with some 12 words. These are called recovery phrases. You need to make sure that you've written them down and kept them safe because they are your access to your wallet. In case you lose your phone, with these 12 words, you can always easily retrieve your wallet. After creating your Trust Wallet account, you need to revamp your security. This one can be accessed under the gear icon, written settings. So here we have security. So once you are here, it will allow you to create a passkey. You can either use a 6-digit password or your biometrics. So that's simply what it means to use a passkey. You can see here under security, we have security scanner, which says keep your assets safer with proactive warnings for risky transactions. Then you have passcode. We also have the ability to automatically lock your wallet when you are out of the wallet. So once you are out of the wallet, it will automatically require you to always provide a passkey to access it again. Lock method, you can always use a passcode or biometrics. So that's one way of revamping your security. Another way that Trust Wallet helps us to revamp our security is by providing us with recovery phrases, which are just some random 12 words, so that we can always access our accounts whenever we lose it. So under manual backup, this is where now you'll be able to see your recovery phrases. As you can see, in order to access my recovery phrases, I was prompted to provide my passkey, which is my biometrics. Then you can now see secret phrases. So it says, in the next step, you will see the secret phrase, which are 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. With these secret phrases, if you lose your secret phrase, your funds will be lost forever. So you should never lose those secret phrases. If you expose or share your secret phrase to anybody, your funds can get stolen. Then Trust Wallet support will never reach out to us for your secret phrases. So anyone out there asking you for your secret phrases in order to help you with any transactions in the blockchain, have that bell ringing in your mind that this person is here to scam you. Never provide your secret phrases to anybody. The Trust Wallet code is an open source code which is open to audits by anybody that wants to actually check on their security. This one is also helping us on the security features for this Trust Wallet app. The transactions that you do take on the Trust Wallet are always anonymous, which simply means the wallet does not collect any type of personal identification information from users. The built-in exchange in the Trust Wallet does not gather or record the private data of users, such as card information or contact details. You can always import your other crypto wallets within your Trust Wallet so that you can conduct trades within the same wallet but within different accounts. How to import your other crypto wallets into your Trust Wallet is very simple. Just come under the settings, then click on wallets, then you have the plus icon on the top right corner. So when you click that one, you will now see here it says, I don't have a wallet, so you'll now be able to create a new multi-chain wallet. Or, I already have a wallet. This one will now enable you to import a new wallet into your Trust Wallet. So in order to do that, just click the I have wallet. Then in case you have your secret phrases already backed up with your Google Drive, then you can use that to import that wallet. In case you just have them written somewhere, then just go under the multi-coin wallet, if at all it's a multi-coin wallet. In the case that it's a wallet that has a specific network, for example, it's a wallet for Algorand, then you'll just click Algorand and then import the wallet which has the specific network. We want to assume that we are going to import a multi-coin wallet, which is a different Trust Wallet app. So just click on the multi-coin, then you'll give it a name that you do want. You can either use my name. Yes, I love my name, so just use my name. Then you have here your seed phrases or recovery phrases, the 12 words that we already backed up when you created that wallet. Then you put them in the order that you are given. How to put them? Never put any punctuation, just put the word and then single space, go to the next word in the order that they were given to you. So once that's done, then you just click import, then voila, you'll now have your wallet imported into the app that you are using. That's why I do love crypto, because with just seed phrases, you don't have to always be worrying about your passwords. Just seed phrase, you can actually bypass or override the password, then have your wallet imported here. You can as well export your Trust Wallet into another wallet, let's say like the Metamask. So in order to do that, you'll just need to know your seed phrases or the recovery phrases. Then I use the seed phrases to export your Trust Wallet into Metamask. But there's something about Metamask. Metamask does not allow you to import a wallet using the recovery phrases. It will require private key. So in order to generate private key, there's a process that you'll need to go through. So you'll need to watch a video on end screen of this video in order to see how I cover that part. How to easily export your Trust Wallet into your Metamask without having a security being breached. There are other ways that you can do this part, which are being shown here on YouTube, and I saw that those processes, you can actually get your funds being stolen from you, because it means that you are going to be providing your recovery phrases to a website, which can actually be phishing links. So in order to have your security intact and also being in a position to export your Trust Wallet, watch our video covering this part. Trust Wallet has a very cool feature that enables us to buy crypto tokens directly using the Trust Wallet app. Here under the buy feature, you can actually choose the token that you want to purchase and easily do that within just the Trust Wallet, not worrying about having the centralized exchanges. So let's say we want to buy Binance Smart Chain token. So just click the Binance Smart Chain token. Then now we have the amount there. So we can change this amount. It's by default $150. So here we can see that the minimum amount of token that you can purchase is 6.75 USD. Looks like there are so many third-party providers here, so it will depend on the one that's being chosen for you. You can click here, then see the different third-party providers that are being provided by the Trust Wallet app. With the one that you do like, you can actually go ahead and click next and see what happens. As you can see here now, we have ramp, then the fiat currency is in euros, so that one will be 28.07 euros, giving us 0.128 BNB. Then once you're okay with that one, you'll now be able to proceed with the payment. So 1 BNB is at around 197.4 euros. So we proceed, then you will now be required to provide your email in order to make the purchase. So this is now the third party ramp. We are able to purchase tokens directly using the Trust Wallet. Using the third party providers within the Trust Wallet to make a purchase will actually cost the earth. So you need to remember that one. The best way to do this is actually use the centralized exchanges, e.g. Binance, Bybit, KUCOIN, to make those purchases, then transfer your crypto tokens into your Trust Wallet app. So once you have some crypto tokens into your wallet, then you can always do swaps within this Trust Wallet. Let's say you have some BNB, you want to swap them into USDT. It's very easy, just come here under the swaps. So under the swaps, now we have BNB, which is the BNB Smart Chain. We'll be interacting with the DeFi now, so you need to remember that we are going to be swapping BNB Smart Chain into the USDT. So that's how to easily do swaps within the Crypto Trust Wallet app. You can also use other tokens. It's not only the BNB, you can use Polygon, BNB, Bitcoin Chain, Arbitrage. But now remember, when you choose a certain token, you'll now be interacting with that network. So in case you do choose Arbitrage, you'll now be interacting with the tokens on the Arbitrage network. So you can see with Arbitrage, you can swap to these other tokens which are now on the Arbitrage network. So that's one thing you need to remember. You need to purchase tokens that are used as gas on that particular network. For Arbitrage, you will need to have Ethereum, which will be the token used to pay for gas. Once you are okay with the amount that you want, you can either swap 50% of what you have, but never go 100% because you'll need BNB tokens to pay as a gas. You can go up to even 99% of your BNB, but not 100%. Trust Wallet provides us with some real-time charts that we can always use to see what's happening with these crypto tokens. Let's say we go with Bitcoin, then you click that icon on the top right corner. So we have some charts here. They are line graphs. They are not really so formative as the candlesticks, but now we can see actually what's happening with the price. Within 1 year, we can see how the price has gone with Bitcoin. We also have the all-time charts in here. So you can drag here to see some of the prices, how they've been going all through the time up to the moment that we are on, which is 20th September 2023. Bitcoin has actually appreciated up to 20,000% from the moment it was innovated. Arsenality imepiga mutu nani, arsenality mkubwa. So that's happening with crypto, also with sports. My team is whooping some ass. Yeah, I like to whoop ass, mother. So that's how you can always use this one. But remember, with the technical analysis, you'll need to learn more about it, learn about candlesticks, trading view. There are many more things to learn about technical analysis. Here with Trust Wallet, just want to look at the basics. So you also have more info where you get the Bitcoin website, which is bitcoin.org. You have the blockchain explorer, the market cap, the 24 hours trading volume, circulating supply, and the total supply. Your Trust Wallet is like a bank. You can always earn interest with your Trust Wallet. When you put your money into your bank account, the rewards are very minimal. You cannot actually beat inflation with just keeping your money into the banks. But with Trust Wallet, there's something happening here. I bet you can actually beat inflation with the rewards being provided by Trust Wallet. Under the earn feature, we have some crypto tokens that you can actually stake in here. So we have the first one, which is Metamask Coin, Stars, Atom, Calvadot. The list is very long. I don't want to talk about all of them. But now let's see these first ones. So you can see the APRs here are very high. So let's say we go with Metamask. So there's some info here that we'll need to look into. We have the APR, then the lock time. So we'll need at least 14 days to lock your crypto tokens, the Metamask token, so that you can be in a position to unstake them. Once 14 days have elapsed, now you can unstake those crypto tokens. But before that, your crypto tokens will be locked in here. So once you're okay with the lock time period, then just go and click on stake. Then we have the validators that you are going to provide your Metamask tokens with. In here, we have a long list of validators that you can stake with in order to earn some rewards. So you are by default being chosen under the Citadel.1. In case you are not okay with them, then you can always go and look into the other validators. You have Cosmos, Station, Disperse. Okay, I don't know the ones that you like, but You choose any validator, then put the amount of EVMOS token that you want to stake with this validator. Once you're okay with them, then just allow it to stake with them. You'll now start earning some rewards by just providing your crypto tokens here under the staking feature. The discover part allows us to see some of the trending news that are happening with the finance market. We also see the staking part. Here now you can discover some of the tokens that you can always stake. In case you didn't know how to stake them before I showed you, then you can always come here under the discover and see some of the tokens that you can actually stake. Then we also have some airdrop opportunities that are listed here under the discover. You have meme coins. In case you are a fan of meme coins, here is where you can always then discover them. You have lending protocols, some of the protocols on the BSC, then the DeFi space. We've really talked so much about Trust Wallet, but one thing that we can't forget to talk about is now the decentralized application browser, because this is what now allows us to interact with the DeFi space. Remember, with crypto, DeFi space is very essential. So in order to do that, you need to come under the browser. So under the browser, now you see some new dApps that are just emerging into the crypto space. Then we have the more mature DeFi protocols, then some of the protocols on the smart chain. They also have listings based on the popular DeFi protocols, the yield farming. Here you can also provide some of your tokens. You can also look into the games. We have exchanges. These ones are decentralized exchanges. They are not centralized. You don't need to do any KYC with them. The NFT space, that's under the marketplaces, the socials, utility. There's so many things that you can always do under the decentralized applications. We'll just take a look into one of the decentralized application, which is the DEX. So the biggest DEX under the Binance Smart Chain is PancakeSwap. That's what we just want to take a look into, and then call it a day or a night or an evening for you. We are here into PancakeSwap.finance. Then you just need to click connect. Then you connect with your Trust Wallet. That's how you can always access these DEXs. Just need to know the URL. One cool feature about Trust Wallet is that they enabled us to use desktop mode into our app. So with just clicking the desktop mode, you'll now be able to change this whole part to be like the desktop. Now you can see we can now have a very wide view of this Trust Wallet. Okay guys, my team is still whooping some ass. Arsenal 2-0. There's so many decentralized applications that you can always interact with. Uniswap, this word is always interfering with my lips. Sushi swap. With DeFi Llama, you can always have everything that you want to view. You can always connect your Trust Wallet app within your phone with your Trust Wallet browser extension into your desktop. How to do that is very simple. You just need to come under the settings, then under the Wallet Connect. It will allow you to scan the QR code from your desktop with your phone, so that you will now be initiating transactions from your Trust Wallet app in your phone, and then allowing those transactions to go through the blockchain now onto your desktop. Wallet Connect is an open source protocol that enables you to connect decentralized applications to mobile crypto wallets such as Trust Wallet using deep linking or QR code scanning. That's actually the definition of what Wallet Connect is. It really covers so many things that are beginner friendly to do within the Trust Wallet. Also, for you who has actually used Trust Wallet for a long time, I guess there's so many features that now you've interacted with within this video to know more about Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet trashes all the conventional barriers in accessing, storing, and managing crypto assets from one platform. You can use the wallet just like any other mobile application with a wide range of options for customization. Exporting Trust Wallet to Metamask requires private keys, which the Trust Wallet app does not provide. It can be a real hassle trying to do this. We have a guide on how to do this without throwing your security through the window. Check it out by watching the video on end screen.